One
Never.
question po before we go, Sec, we've been
No
an hour,
problem.
and yeah, this is a great conversation. Dagdag ko lang po, and correct me if I'm wrong, merong nag-private message din sa akin. You did mention kanina yung sa mga supporters ni Digong na matindi yung attack against them. Maraming ad hominems, bakit ganun ka diehard yung mga supporters ni Digong. Merong isang view dito. Digong has been a symbol for the Mindanaoans ever since people in Mindanao has been marginalized, forgotten by Imperial Manila. That's what they're saying during those times. And there were less improvements or focus, even the economy is not that good way back then. And when Duterte came into the scene, he became a symbol for the Mindanaoans and the Visayan group, because Bisaya oftentimes are even discriminated.
Yeah, not sometimes.
The way we pronounce things, mga Tagalog minsan, they would say, Bisaya ka pala. Pinagtatawanan, we have this accent. And despite of that, Digong became a symbol.
Yeah.
Na he put Mindanao and the Bisaya on the map on a national level and international level. So despite of what happened, or kung ano man yung nakikita nila, yes, convict him for whatever crime he did or whatever. But if you try to surrender him outside against sovereignty natin, talagang magreklamo ang mga Bisaya, mga Mindanao, because like I said, he's a symbol for the Mindanaoans. Am I correct on that?
Siguro, yeah, largely yes. Yeah, you can say that. On the other hand, I think it's also a class issue. You know, the elite, the economic elite, very small percentage, pero very powerful, and the educated elite, and the regional elite. They feel, totoo naman kasi the power is in the Manila area, so kumbaga andyan yan, no? But also, but you see, napansin mo, it is the elite who surrendered Duterte to they did not, well, for one, they did not protect their own, because hindi pa lumawak at lumalim yung ating pagkakaintindi na kababayan natin to. Kapwa natin Pilipino ito, hindi pa gano'n. So it tells us that there is the elite has a different point of view. I don't want to make it I don't want to sound Marxist about the whole thing.
But yeah, I understand. I think Digong is out of the circle. He's an outsider of.
Hindi siya accepted.
Even the whole family, I guess, coming from the south, sub-Sahara, binagdagan pa.